Yo guys, so today we have this crocodile or alligator ring, as you might see in a second here. It is something we found surprisingly, so we did order that because it is inspired by a Thomas Sabo ring, which is coming in at around, I think, 400 bucks right now. And this one was only 10 bucks. You can see they saved some material in the center here, but I still had to pick it up and check it out myself because I thought, okay, this might be a steal. If it looks similar, I'm totally fine with saving like 500 bucks on a ring that looks almost the same. So yeah, as you can see here, we got this little cute alligator which is bent like a ring and it's wrapping around your finger if you wear it. You got some little nice stones, and I've got to say I'm really digging the look. I think it's definitely really cute. It is pretty big. As you can see, I can not really close my finger. Well, might depend how you put it on there. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Liking the little hugging of my finger. Also the little stones, which are probably fake though, but whatever. They look good. Like the detail in this little piece as well. And for 10 bucks, you can't complain at all. You can not even really tell the difference to the original one. You can tell by the feet a little bit, they aren't as detailed. The little claws are missing, which is not necessarily bad, because that way you don't poke yourself. And besides that, we are missing the green stones in the eyes. These are just painted on there, but you have to get close to see that. And besides that, oh, definitely a pretty cool inspired alligator ring. If you're a fan of alligators, definitely pick that up. If you're looking for a piece that has some different flair to it, this is also something to check out yourself. And I mean, after all, 10 bucks, you can't really go wrong with that, especially because this is actually silver. So I don't know how they make profit out of this, to be honest, because it is looking pretty decent. And if you get silver, um, there's some material costs as well. But I guess these days you can produce products pretty cheap, so maybe that's the secret to it. But yeah, check it out yourself. I think we can call it a liking the look, as I